Hello everyone and welcome to video tutorial 6. This time around I'm going to show you how to actually add objects into your created world. The world I'm using is the one I edited from video tutorial 4. So in order to add objects you need to go to your add object. In order to select an object to add, you would left click on your terrain and this menu will pop up. Each of these has an explanation under it. This one is pipes. You click this and you'll be able to add different types of pipes to your world. This one is for underwater plants and other things you can find underwater. These are different types of rocks that you can add: icebergs, regular rocks, sedimentary rocks. This is the Kodu character that is a little robot. This is a little rover, such as what NASA would use in order to explore different planets. If you click Apple, an apple will appear in your world. These are a different selection of objects. As you can see here, you have a cyclist, you have a flying fish, you have a jet, octopus, a saucer, glimpse. Here, object 2, you would have turtles, fish, clouds, a drum set, ships, different types of light effects, a puck, push pads, and these are different items that you can place inside of your world, such as a hut, which can be a house, a factory that can act as a building, a heart, fans, castles, and ammunition, and stars, and things of that sort. So for now, we're going to add a tree, and we're going to go with this tree. So that's our tree inside of our world. Now, in order to move the tree in the position that you want, just left click on it and place it where you would want it in your world. I'm going to put mine right there. If you like to change the color of your tree, use your arrow keys and it will change the color of your tree. I'm going to stick with my green tree for now. Also, if you would like to change the size of objects inside of your world, right click on it, click change size, and scale it as you want. Large tree, small tree. I'm gonna have a normal regular sized tree on my island. And there's that. Now, add some more characters. Let's add a jet. We now have a jet inside of our world. Now that's a pretty big jet. So again, let's be able to change the size of it real quick and make it a little bit smaller. Now, something else you can do inside of Kodu is you can make things higher in the air or closer to the ground. In order to do that, you would want to right click on the object you are trying to change and click change height. Now, clicking change height will raise it either higher in the air or lower. Since this is a jet, we want this high in the air a little bit. And let's change the color of our jet while we're at it. We're going to have a red jet. Next, let's add a few clouds. Object 2, and click cloud. Now you have a little white cloud floating in the air. Remember, to move something around, just click on it and move it to where you would like it. Scale it to the size that you would like it to be. And since this is a cloud, let's put it higher up. Also, let's make it a gray cloud. Also, what you can do is, if you'd like to copy something so that you don't have to go back into Kodu, reselect the object, and place it again, you can easily just press the copy button, and then wherever you would like to place the object, click paste. It'll say what object you're pasting, and you'll have another one. So now we have a few clouds in our sky. Next, let's add one more object. let's add a flying fish. We now have a flying fish on our terrain. But we all know that fish do not go above ground. So let's put him over here, scale him down a bit. Our fish friend is now in our water, swimming as he would.